Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
And welcome back, everybody. Not a bad late September day out there. It actually is the last full day of summer. We've got some of our blue sky back right now, and it's warm, particularly so for late September. It's 83 degrees. Winds out of the west right now at 13 miles per hour. Our dew point 39. Temperatures mostly in the 70s at 79 up towards Minot, 75 and 77 in Rugby and Harvey, respectively. 70s back towards the southwest. A couple of 80-degree readings, including Hettinger at 83 on the nose, and yeah, Bismarck at 83. Now, the dew point's in the 30s and 40s, so a little bit of moisture in the air, but pretty typical here for September. 85 degrees was our official high today on the last full day of summer, which is quite a bit above our average. Our average high now is 70, and the record high is 93, set back in 1937. We were down to 49 degrees earlier this morning. I want to take a closer look at the precipitation, however, because we are really starting to ramp up this deficit. Did not get any precipitation over the last day, and so far this month of September here in Bismarck, we've got 0.45 of an inch. Now, normally we should be over an inch, so we're now at a deficit of 0.67 inches, and when you look at the total calendar year, you can see that we've racked up 7.13 inches, where the normal average here for this time of year is 14.93 inches. So to look at it in a way here, we've actually got less than half of what we usually should by this time in the calendar year. Not particularly good. Satellite radar, no precipitation here to help at the moment. We zoom on out, not much going on. We do have high pressure off towards the east, keeping us dry. Now, over the night here, we're going to see clear skies, and it'll be pretty nice out there. A little bit of a breeze, but the wind will continue to increase through the day tomorrow. We'll get a stronger south and southeasterly wind out ahead of a cold front that'll start to move in. Now, tomorrow, out ahead of the cold front, it'll be warm. In fact, we could call it hot. A number of spots might be getting up into the upper 80s. But by late tomorrow night, we will see this cold front begin to move through, and there will be chances for rain late tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. And again, the best chance will be across the northern half of the area. So Minot, pretty good chance of seeing some rain early Wednesday morning. Bismarck, just a slight chance. Cold front moves off towards the south here. By Wednesday afternoon, we get a northerly wind with possibly some more development of showers and a thunderstorm across our northern counties. And in fact, some of those thunderstorms could be on the stronger side. It's late in the season for strong thunderstorms, but with the ingredients in place, can't completely rule it out. Now, temperatures, again, we're getting down to the low 50s tonight, but watch what happens by tomorrow afternoon. We are soaring well into the 80s by the later part of the afternoon and evening. So yes, although tomorrow is the first official day of fall, it'll feel much more like July or August out there. Lows tonight, temperatures getting down into the 40s and 50s. Pretty mild night, and highs tomorrow, 80s, pretty much for everybody, with a number of spots climbing well into the 80s at that. Dickinson 3-day forecast, we're seeing temperatures very warm tomorrow. Just a slight chance of some of those showers late tomorrow night. And then Wednesday will be cooler behind that front, but we rebound quickly in towards Thursday. And then Williston, look at that blue sky. It's nice to see. Mid-80s tomorrow, much cooler on Wednesday behind the front. And then we'll be looking at more warmer temperatures on Thursday. Minot, temperatures will be warm tomorrow, and then much cooler on Wednesday with a good chance of seeing some rain, particularly in the morning. We will warm up slightly, but then start to trickle back down as we head through the weekend. In Bismarck, again, let's just call it a hot day tomorrow for the first official day of fall, and then Wednesday and Thursday, they'll be cooler, but still above average. Eventually, though, those temperatures do fall closer to seasonal averages into the weekend, with outside chances for rain and breezy weather comes along with that transition to fall, guys.
Thank you so much.
Coming up next.